playing with her building blocks.
Those are Alex's.
She said she's gonna call when she picks up Ashley.
I know.
Yeah.
Hi.
Sometimes she'll just take the phone and be having a whole conversation.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Kissy. Come on, Mimi.
Logan.
Kissy. Mwah. Mwah.
Logan, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Can I kiss Savannah?
About Lulu?
You. Love you.
Are you pretend
So
sleeping?
stinking cute.
Logan?
What you got, Mimi? Look, what do you got? Oh my goodness. Yay. Good job, Mimi.
Babe, where's Alex's underwear at?